Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pulse. So in this video we'll be discussing more on dataframe transformation. And so first of all, I'm picking this union and union by name. Let me mention this. And also we'll be seeing one of the interview question which might be asked on this scenario. Union by name. Okay, these two transformation we are going to see. So let us consider the first example, the union. So first of all, we are creating two data frames. df1 is spark.create data frame providing the data and the columns. Similarly in df2 providing the data and the columns. And result.df, this is syntax df1 dot union df2. You can see the syntax here. See, def union the data frame 2. Okay, data frame, it will return a data frame. See, it is also like showing no what it will return, right? df dot data frame. Okay, and finally we are showing this calling the action keyword. It's an action. Now above transformation will be done. So let me run this again. See, so both the data frame 3T total six counts are there. So what if here we can see two Jane and two Jane, like these are common records that I've given. This I want to show because I want to perform distinct operation. Okay, now see John, Jane, Doe. So this two Jane that is avoided. So when you want to get only distinct records and do the union, then we can use gf dot distinct in PySpark. Let us see another example, which is very similar to the above one, but here we have done differently. I've created data and the columns in above, and then creating data frame, and then let us see both of data frames. Okay. What difference you can see in these two data frame is like salary and the salary column. Okay, in both the column, no, it should be gender, right? Where is chicken as salary? Let me say column. Sorry, here it is columns. Let me put this as columns. Yeah, it is opposite I've done. Now it is perfect. What is happening, man? Uh, Details column, details one, column one. Okay, I think it should be perfect now. Gender male and salary 1000. Okay, we can see the output here. Okay, now the discrepancy is here in the data frame one. We are having gender as an extra column, and here we are having a salary. But when we do a union, it won't match because it will just see the number of columns and it will just do the union for the data, right? So it is not matching. So this is like a drawback of the union command. Therefore after spark 3.0, union by name has came, right? And union by name is a powerful function. So it will check the column name and then it will do the union. Okay, here you can see student name is the first parameter and overall percentage is the second column. Here overall percentage is first column and student name is the second column. Okay, let me do this. You can see the expected result, union by name. It is checking the column name and then doing the union, right? See, this is like a very good functionality. Like if we are having different columns all together and we want to get the union, so union by name can be used. Okay, now another example, you can see union by name allow missing columns is equal to true. So allow missing columns is equal to true. This parameter, what it will do, this will just fill in with the null values wherever the parameters are missing, where the values are missing. You can see for the second data frame, the department values are missing, right? So it has filled up with null and do the union. Okay, so let us try with union what it will see. Let us remove this parameter. Okay, and get this value. You might get error because union can only be performed on inputs with same number of columns, but the first input has three columns and the second input is two columns. So this is failed. But here union by name it works. So union by name is very powerful and we can use this. One of the interview question that we might get is like, suppose you're having two data frames, GF1 and DF2, representing sales data with columns so this. However, the columns in the two data frame are in a different order. Write PySpark code is an appropriate union function to create a new data frame that combines sales data from different frame by handling the columns or a discrepancy. So this discrepancy can be handled by union by name, and this is what I have done here. And see, we are getting the desired result. So that's all for this video. Explain the union and union by name. You can use this in your project and let me know if you have used this. Please follow my channel, do subscribe, and if you're having any doubts and any queries you have, do post in comment. I will try to solve that. Thank you.